Let's take an example, Bikebiz, one of Australia's top motorcycle retailers. Their original platform was outdated, slow, hard to maintain and hurting conversion. Migration was risky. Magento 2 was still new at the time, but we built a fully custom Magento 2 solution with a headless React frontend. Here is what we did to protect SEO and improve performance. Created a full URL map to avoid ranking loss. Implemented structured redirects from legacy pages. Rebuilt meta templates based on historical SEO performance. Configured Cloudflare, GTM and advanced analytics tracking. Launched on Google Cloud with auto-scaling. And conducted live traffic monitoring post-launch. Here are the results within first release: 6 times faster page speed, plus 30% conversion rate,